Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's the 8th of September and it's the beginning of autumn, the start of Ganesh Chaturthi, and that's a beautiful Hindu celebration for Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. And in today's video we're going to share some techniques and ways that we can remove obstacles for a more smoother transition into the autumn. You're also going to find out how to use one of these. If you haven't seen one before, stick around to the end of the video to watch and find out what that is. We're surrounded by this Ganesh energy, which to me just means one thing: to remove any obstacles from our path. And before you start thinking about doing a big home cleaning, I'm talking about something a lot deeper. Now, some of you may be thinking, didn't we talk about cleansing and decluttering at springtime? Absolutely, we did at the March equinox, but now we're coming towards the fall equinox, and it's also time to readjust and transition with greater ease into a new season, a new climate that you're going to be feeling in the crispness of your mornings and your evenings. You'll see this dryness in the soil or in the leaves, in the foliage of trees. All of that is going to be happening to us internally as well. And in autumn, it's all about rejuvenation of the tissues, internal and external rejuvenation. Because just like we accumulate things in our homes, we accumulate things in our mind. We store emotions and feelings and thoughts in our body for years, and without even realizing it, these emotions weigh us down, causing feelings of sadness, loneliness, stagnation and sadness. So how do we start to let go of some of these emotional baggages, the obstacles in the way of us igniting our dreams and our inner potential? Let me introduce to you a powerful yet simple tool, the ABC method, for emotional decluttering. This method I've used with clients for years as a way to help them release the emotional clutter, making space for positive new energy to show up in their lives. Here's how we do it step by step. Step 1. On one side of your page, you're going to just write down everything that you feel is bothering you at the moment, anything that is standing in your way, anything that's causing you some mental torment, anything that's upset and bothered you. No matter how small, let it just flow. Let your pen flow to paper without feeling filtered. Now in your journal, separate 3 columns. Label 1A, which is where you're going to put everything that you've written down that feels insurmountable, that feels really like it's going to take a lot to shift, more than 30 seconds. In column B, place all the things that are easy to shift within that 30 seconds, things that are really easy and that you can deal with by yourself. And in column C, just put everything else. Start by tackling the smaller things in column B. Those manageable frustrations. It's like clearing out your mental junk drawer. As the masters say, you can't fill an already full cup. And once you've emptied the small stuff, you'll feel lighter and more energized, ready to take on much bigger challenges. By clearing column B, you're going to start feeling lighter already, and you're going to start feeling new positive change come into your life. Trust me, this process is absolutely amazing if you want to feel lighter and more empowered, as if something's coming off of your shoulders. And it's really the first step towards bigger transformation in your life, where you go deeper and stop just clearing the surface. You actually get to start addressing the deeper wounds. I also wanted to introduce to you my Vitality Cleanse, which is another way for you to cleanse externally and internally your mind, body and soul. It's a wonderful way for you to explore practices, Ayurvedic practices that are supportive for your immune system, your gut health, and works on all 7 tissues to restore the body back to its optimal health and well-being. So as we welcome and celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, we are welcoming in. I invite you to honor Ganesh within you, the part of you that removes obstacles and creates space for new beginnings. You can even do that by lighting a candle, chanting Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, or offering something special to Lord Ganesha. Let's clear out our clutter inside and outside. Let's step into a new season with lightness, with clarity and intention. Before you go, if you stuck around to watch this video, thank you for sticking around. So you wanted to find out what this is. It's a tongue scraper. So in Ayurveda, these are used every morning. In Ayurvedic self-care practices, we use these every morning to help clear away any gunk, any excess bacteria or build up from the gut, which has happened overnight and developed on the tongue as a coating. So if you look at your tongue in the morning, you'll notice there's a coating, and it may be whitish in color, it may be grayish in color or dark, or it may be very yellow. Noticing where that buildup is on the tongue, and then just using the scraper to scrape from the back of your tongue forwards several times in that kind of motion will remove that extra coating from the tongue. And what that does is it's going to help you to taste your food better, to massage and stimulate different organs that are attached by nerves to the tongue. It's going to give you better overall health, and once you start using these, you will never turn back. It's such an important part of my self-care practice. I can't imagine not, just like I can't imagine not brushing my teeth every morning, I also can't imagine not using my tongue scraper. And if you're looking for a place to get those, you can go to my website, Ayurveda Anytime, and go to store, and you'll find the Maharishi Ayurveda types are silver. You'll also find these copper types there, and you can place an order for your tongue scraper. Just to wrap up, the autumn is here, and we cannot avoid that with a change of season. There's a new pace, there are new experiences to be had. So changing up your self-care practice by adding in just these 2 hacks that we've done is a wonderful way to bring in new energy for the new season. We're aligning with the energies of Ganesha to remove obstacles from our path, so that we can live the most optimal, juicy and wonderful life.
Mama, that's not playing.
If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment underneath this video. Have you tried a tongue scraper? What are you bringing in for this Ganesh Chaturthi season? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're going to find transformational practices here for your self-care and holistic well-being. So do stick around if that sounds like it's your thing. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video.